They're playing.
May have the other camera.
Yeah. Almost.
So we're here at the beautiful Chautauqua Park in Boulder, Colorado. And we're here to see the bears that are across the way. They like to play in this meadow and climb these trees. We have tons of magpies that we're getting film of, and the bears keep coming in and out, and we have a lot of does, deer that are up on the hillside here too. So hopefully the bears will come back out. They were here climbing these trees just a minute ago, and some were sleeping. So Chautauqua is a very cherished park here in Boulder. There's a lot of people that come here to go hiking, and you can rent cottages to stay the night, and there's a nice dining house, and if you're ever in the area, you should definitely come to Chautauqua. So down here, this is all Boulder here. This with the red roofs, that is University of Colorado, Boulder. So basically anything with a red roof down there, this whole area is the campus. These are some of the dorms. It's a very large campus. But yeah, that's Boulder, and the bears are somewhere in here.
Probably will if you can. They love climbing. It's creepy.
Sharpens your claws.
When you walk by some of the trees, they just shrink.
So I'm recording.
So we got 3. There's 2 other ones somewhere.
It's actually really big.
They're huge.
Getting more
I've
than
seen
bare
them,
necessities.
Yeah, they're getting all over our food.
They in the cans?
Every night.
Yeah.
We don't send people down there alone.
He's just gonna go lay down.